So not engaged. So that's the clip they used for the bottom. It's the only clip they used. It is not engaged. This is the only clip in the center, not engaged. Somewhere up top is a clip that is engaged. For this entire length, there's one clip in those first two panels that is engaged. Now, if we follow along this seam, first off, you can see the distance between clips exceeds 5 feet. The clip does not appear to be pre-manufactured. I'm going to try and get a closer look at it. It's very difficult without disengaging the panel itself. But right now, as you can see, that panel's not engaged. That panel. And it's difficult to tell on others because it doesn't, from what I can tell, they did not put a clip very often. Okay. Rather than going under the Z flashing, they use silicone. Silicone is not known to stick to steel panels. You're supposed to use, for a compression seal between these two panels, you're supposed to use butyl and then fasten this piece down. That is why water is starting to back up behind this. These spots here are supposed to penetrate through that Z flashing through to the other side. They're supposed to be notched out. That way this backside doesn't get moisture inside it from the snow. If you have to put a sealant on the outside, it's supposed to be urethane. And you can already see moisture is accumulating on the back side of these panels. As far as the silicone conversation goes, so silicone is incapable of bonding to galvanized steel. So just by rolling my thumb a few times, I've already started to take off part of that bond. Silicone cannot be used on steel, not for exterior roofs. Have to use urethane.